Pakistan appreciates the role China has played once again in standing by Pakistan in these difficult times.
我们一致认为，南亚的和平稳定符合地区国家的共同利益，也是国际社会的共同期待。中方赞赏巴基斯坦为缓和局势所做的建设性的努力，呼吁巴基斯坦和印度能够继续保持克制，通过对话及和平手段来解决存在的分歧。
It's an Irish quotation. A good friend is like a four-leaf clover, hard to find and lucky to have. And strong friendship between countries and nations are extremely rare and hard to maintain. But Pakistan and China friendship is such a rare thing to witness. My name is Mohammad Dostan.
And I am Muhammad Wajid.
We are the students of Danish School Boys, Dera Ghazi Khan. Today, we have been given an opportunity to present our sentiments regarding the greatest friendship of all time, Pak-China friendship, by the prestigious Pak-China Friendship Association and China Cultural Center, Pakistan, in the form of this Pakistani Youth short video competition.
First of all, we would like to introduce you to the platform which gave us this chance. It's our blessing of a school which is located in Dera Ghazi Khan city, Pakistan. It's a boarding school specially focused to provide free of cost education to the underprivileged students to uplift the downtrodden segment of the society. It not only provides us free of cost education but also provide totally free of cost boarding and fulfill all the necessities of daily use as well. It's not just our school, it's our home.
Pakistan is my dear homeland, and its closest friend and ally China has always been a source of support to it. Former relations were established in 1950, and the Dominion of Pakistan was among the first countries to end official diplomatic relations with the Republic of China and recognize the People's Republic of China government on mainland China.
Bilateral relations have evolved from an initial Chinese policy of neutrality to a partnership with a smaller but militarily powerful Pakistan. Diplomatic relations were established in 1950, boundary issues resolved in 1963, military assistance began in 1966, a strategic alliance were formed in 1972, and economic cooperation began in 1979. China has become Pakistan's largest supplier of arms and its third trading partner. Recently, both nations have decided to cooperate in improving Pakistan's civil nuclear power sector.
Chinese cooperation with Pakistan has reached economic high points with substantial Chinese investment in Pakistani infrastructural expansion, including the Pakistani deep water port at Gwadar. Both countries have an ongoing free trade agreement.
In every age, in every Pakistani and Chinese regime, every leader has kept this relationship going and even taken it more stronger.
The CPEC will connect Pakistan with China and Central Asian countries with highway connecting Kashgar to Punjab and Gwadar. Gwadar port in southern Pakistan will serve as a trade nerve centers for China, as most of its trade, especially that of oil, will be done through the port, which is operated by China Overseas Port Holding Company, a state-owned Chinese company.
The Winter Olympic Games is a major international multi-sport event held once every 4 years for sport practiced on snow and ice. The first Winter Olympic Games, the 1924 Winter Olympics, were held in France. After watching and reading about the global cultural tour, I was astonished that China has put so much effort in making this possible. Putting 3 cities for this gigantic event is a great gesture, and changing the summer location into winter sports event is not a small feat and takes a lot of energy to do it. And the most astonishing thing is that all the energy needed for this to make it possible is completely clean green energy.
Pakistan first entered the Winter Olympic Games in Vancouver, Canada in 2010. The nation again sent athletes to the Winter Olympics for all editions since. Muhammad Abbas earned the honor of becoming the first athlete from his country to qualify and compete in alpine skiing. Abbas saw action in the men's giant slalom event and finished in 71st spot.
We, on behalf of our school, our city, and our country, we present best wishes to China for hosting such a prestigious event and wish it a complete success.
And we would like to use this opportunity to wish the best of luck to all the players of Pakistan participating in this event.
Long live Pak-China friendship. Thank you.